I don't know what this is. What is this fish? Well, I don't think it's a bass. This is not a bass. Oh my, oh, it is a bass. He's just fighting weird. Man, he's fighting weird. Wait a minute, is this the same bass I freaking seen by the shoreline? It is the same bass. What, how did he get out there that fast? Wow. Man, I thought that was a big fish. That's first bass of the day, first cast of the day. Get ourselves a nice bass. Can't complain about that. There we go. Man, I thought that was a big fish. He was fighting so weird. The home lake, hoping to get some good bass action. This is the same day I shot that big ass turkey, so can't complain about today. Oh guys, not even in the kayak. Oh, he's fighting good. Oh, this is always a good spot. Got bluegill by the shoreline. Yeah, that's a nice fish. Okay, y'all guys, another nice bass being up by something. Get back in. Nice. Fish, third cast. I think this might be a schoolie. That's probably a keeper. That's a keeper. Yep, look at that. Third cast, third fish. Wow, that's a small keeper. Bluegills are really active today. No wind, the bugs are on the surface. Man, wow, that's freaking crazy. Oh yeah, this is how you get them. Fish them shallow with finesse jigs. Oh, I knew that was gonna be hooked right on top of the mouth. Alright, he's good. Yep. I knew it was gonna be hooked right there. Fish shallow, that's how you get these pre-spawn, spawn bass. Right now it's probably spawn, just about spawn. There we go. Been a little bit. Fish this whole thing, and this is the first fish on it. Look at that, perfect. Nice bass. Nice one, nice one, nice one. Get him back in. I'm gonna say I'm gonna lose this guy. He's fighting good though. There we go. There we go. Right at that bush. Man, all these bass have scars on them. What a nice bass. Get him back in. I actually thought it was smallmouth for 1 second. I'm like, whoa. I hooked him? Nothing. I started reeling it in. There we go. He's fighting. Still fighting. That's it. He's done. Look at that. Beautiful landing. Stay just like that, buddy. Yeah, he just hooked right on the top of that jawbone. There we go. Nice fish. There we go. I knew we were going to get one here. He said, I don't know if it's a pike or what. I think it is. Yeah, it's a pike. Oh my god, it's a walleye. It's a nice walleye. That's really unexpected. That's a nice one. Oh, uh-oh. That's a really nice walleye. I don't want to get a snag. In a weird spot. You don't generally catch a walleye here. He's fighting good, man, for his size. Wow. This guy might be going on the stringer. Man, for his size, he's fighting good. I mean, it is a nice walleye. That's actually a really nice walleye. Be careful, he's barely hooked. Man, he's still fighting. There we go. That's a nice walleye. That's a good keep. Might put him on a stringer no matter what. He'll be fine, even if I don't keep him. This is a good fish to keep though, honestly. He's that giant. Oh yeah, look at that fish. That is a beautiful fish. Ooh, that's a nice one there. I might put him on a stringer, honestly. That's a nice one to keep. That's a really nice walleye. It's a good one to keep. I was not expecting that today. I heard a big splash under the dock where I cast. I'm like, well, I wonder what that is. Up here he is. He's fighting good. Ooh, that's a fat son of a bitch. That's a fat bass right there. Get him back in. That's a really fat bass. That's the nicest bass of the day. Right after that bass I just released, this one feels pretty decent. A lot of head shakes, which I don't like. Oh, I knew he was going to come off. Son of a bitch. I'm able to jump. That one we lost was pretty nice. I think it was a nice... Oh, poof, that popped out. That was a nice fish. I think it was a I think it was a nice bass, nice 17-incher. Oh, he's gonna jump. He's gonna jump. Oh, no, they're not. But this spot's doing pretty good. I never usually do that good here, too. Oh, he's going by my walleye. Wow, he's fighting. Wow. For his size, wow, he took that bait and he ran with it. There we go. Got him out. That's a nice fish. Lost a good amount, actually. I lost like 2 in a row. 2 in a row. And we got one. Nice. That keeper. Yeah, he's fighting like a keeper. Oh, yeah, this has to be a keeper. Oh, yeah. Yep. He just looked like a school. I was right by that dock. He was right by that dock. I had to rip him out because I didn't know how big it was. You know, engulf that. He was right on that freaking dock, right beside it. There we go. Nice one. Not really fighting. Man, they love the head shake. The one we lost, guys, seemed pretty decent. I'm figuring, well, I was just saying how that one almost went in that dock. I hooked it, went to that dock. Seemed a decent fish, too. But, there we go. Another nice largie. Nice one. He is so fast coming at me. Give me, you son of a bitch. There we go. Got him. Oh, he was hooked good. Wow. What a nice bass. I freaking hit that thing hard. He freaking came at me so fast. It wasn't even funny. These fishes love to jump. I hook set this thing so hard. Ooh. I freaking, the rod slipped out of my hands. He wasn't getting off this. Ooh. Oh my God. There we go. Another nice keeper. Nice. There he goes. Sometimes it's easier to pull them in like that. That's what I'm talking about. Ooh, these bass are roughed up. There we go. Get them inside. I mean, in the water. Just jumped in my hand. Oh my God, this fish is powerful. Jesus Christ. There we go. There we go. Get back in. Ooh. Nice. Ooh, that's a nice one there. Ah, it's a really nice fish. Gonna get back in. I thought that was a small fish. Nice one. Nice fish. It's coming at me. Might be the last fish of the day. Ooh, he just jumped in my hand. Might be the last fish of the day. A nice, beautiful keeper. There we go. Nice keeper. Get him back in. Nice fish. Ooh. Alright, guys. I'm going to keep the walleye. That's a good keeper size right there. Like I said, I don't keep too many of them. This is a good size to keep. Catch them up, cook them up. It's going to be a good fish right here. Walleye, one of the best eating fish in North America. Get them back home, flay them up. Alright, guys. Back home now. Now time flaying up the walleye. Walleye are pretty easy, just like perch. Again, cut down like this a little bit on an angle. Go right here. Cut down to the backbone and flay all the way back. Flip it over. Cut the meat off the scale. It's a pretty simple way of doing it. That's a big old walleye. Nice one. Nice one. 21 inches. He's a really nice walleye. Really nice fish. Got the flays done, guys. This actually wasn't bad at all. Just one fish. Big flay. I don't know how I'm going to do these yet, but this is going to be really, really good to eat. And I can't wait to have this. Nice flay. Really nice flay. Looks like the knife has nothing on it. It's like clean. Just do one fish. Alright, guys. Now got the walleye on the grill. I'm grilling it. All I did was put all seasoning, black pepper, Old Bay, and lemon juice. That's all I put on here. Grilling these fish. I love to grill walleye, but yeah, it's just, but that's all I'm doing. That's how I kind of grill fish. But actually, a lot of my videos this year, my catch and cooks, were mainly grilling fish because it's so easy and it's so good. I just love grilling fish. But yeah, I just love doing that way. It's easy and simple, and it doesn't take long either. But actually, it's been a long time since I got that walleye. It's now like mid-July, so yeah. So cooking these up now. These will take a little bit longer than perch, bluegill, smaller trout, but this will be done in no time, but really good fillet, really big fillets. I mean, holy crap, that's a really big fillet. I mean, it was a really big walleye. It's like a 22-inch or 3-inch walleye, but get these cooking, and yeah, these should be, they'll take a little bit more, but they should be really good. Another indicator, guys, for this being done is, well, turning a different color, like more white, and it'll break apart easier. See how this is more tough yet? It'll start getting easier, like, and it'll start breaking up easily. That's how you can kind of tell it's done. But I'm definitely not eating both of these. I just want to say that. One's for me and one's for my dad. I cannot eat. These are really big fillets. This is bigger than blue I catch, just the fillet itself. But yeah, a little bit more yet, but yeah, should be good. And two, guys, I just flipped them. I just want to tell you, for these bigger fillets, you definitely want to flip them. These are pretty big fillets, but these are almost done. See, they're starting to change on the other side. They're really starting to change color, like that white. But these are really, it's starting to break up a little bit more easily. Like, see how it's starting to tear pretty easily? So these things will be done very soon. All right, guys, this is pretty much done. Like, see how this is starting to break apart really easily now. So these are pretty much, probably a couple more seconds I'm done. But anyways, that's how I cook fish on the grill. As you've seen my video, if you watch my videos, if you haven't, check them out. I'm in grill just like this in every video. But anyways, that was a great day of fishing. A lot of bass, a really nice walleye, but just a great day of bass fishing at the home. Like, that was a really good day, but missed that time of the year, springtime, April, May, mid-May. I just missed that time of the year. It's just such a good fishing. But anyways, guys, that's how I grill them. That's how I catch a lot of bass, walleye at the home lake. So, oh, one more thing I wanted to say too. For fish like this, or any grilled fish I usually have a little cup of melted butter, and I dip the meat in the butter. That's really good. It's almost like a lobster. But I just want to tell you guys that. Hope you guys enjoy this video. And I'll see you guys next one. Later, guys.